everyone, welcome to the Grace Life DIY home decor. So here I am at Kirklands, and yes, I am taking you with me, and we are in a different location. So let's walk around and see what they have. If this is your first time visiting my channel, I want to say welcome. I hope that you like my video, and I hope that you stay and subscribe. And for all of you returning subscribers, I so thank you from the bottom of my heart for supporting my channel. Isn't this such a beautiful jar? It says, "Give it to God." Amen. I'm going to leave you to a little bit of music so you can look around with me, and I'll see you at the end. enjoyed the shopping trip as much as I enjoy showing you. If you liked the video, click like, share, and comment. Don't forget to subscribe, guys. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can get notified every single time I upload a video. Have an amazing day, and I'll see you in the next one.